bonfires bright. Chrome shines loud on a lifted ride. Stars and stripes waving with a whole lot of pride. Tailgates down, radios turned high. Country boys and girls lighting up the sky. Ain't about where you're from tonight, just bring your boots and your American pride. Stars, stripes and mud ties, bonfires, sparks and freedom's fire. Raise that flag, let the good times roll. Country music feeding us soul. From the back roads to the county line, we're living free and feeling alive. Red, white and blue taking us high, rolling on stars, stripes and mud ties. Stripes and mud ties. American flags flying high in the breeze. Cold sweet tea and tall oak trees. Kids chasing fireflies across the field, built on faith that never will yield. Neighbors laughing, guitars in tune, singing old songs beneath the moon. We'll keep these traditions alive and strong, passing them down through every song. Freedom rise wherever we roam. Every dirt road still feels like home. Stripes and mud ties, that's how this country's heart beats. Louder from sunrise mornings to Saturday nights. We'll keep old glory flying high. Raise your cup and raise your voice. Living free is still our choice. We'll keep rolling mile after mile with stars, stripes and mud ties. Stripes and mud ties. Spirit stays, still chasing freedom the American way. As long as these back roads lead us home, we'll never ride alone.